it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. Today, Sashi and Baabaa is going to do the
Whisper Challenge!
Yay! Are you excited, guys?
Yeah.
Why are you always like that, pa? So yes, it's between Sashi and Baabaa for today, and let's see if who wins. If Sashi wins, or is it going to be Baabaa who's gonna win? What do you think, guys? What do you think, Dai?
Me.
Who's gonna win this challenge?
Me.
So let's see. Without further ado, let's start this challenge. So in order for them to start this challenge, they will be doing rock, paper, scissors. Okay, ready, get set, go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Wow. How many count? One only? Three, okay. Ate, Sashi would be one. Sashi, one. Okay?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh! 1:1, guys. Next!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Two for Baabaa!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh my god.
Oh my
Tie, we need a tiebreaker. Last one. Who would be the winner? Okay, go!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, it's Ate's turn first, so go ahead, I'll leave it all to them. Oh, Baabaa is now on her headphones. This is an inner earphone, so she won't really hear anything. So let's test.
I love I love cockroaches. I love what?
Okay, I think it's good because she didn't hear anything. Okay, it's up to you guys. See you later. So on 3 again, guys. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start.
There's a purple mushroom. Mushroom in my backyard.
Balik.
There's a purple mushroom in my backyard screaming tacos.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, start.
When nothing when nothing is going right. When nothing is going right.
So both of them still got 0 points, guys. So let's see. They still have 7 sentences. So let's see which one of them could
Get a
guess. Yeah, could get a point. So far both of them 0. So on my on three girls, ready? 1, 2, 3, start.
A hot dog.
I saw.
A.
I saw.
No. A.
I
So this time 1 point for Baba. Yahoo! So Ati's turn again. Ati's turn. Okay, girls. 1, 2, 3, start.
if
Leaf.
if
Leaf.
On 3.
Is there a
1,
prize?
2, 3. Yes, there's a prize ba? A kiss from your mother.
Okay.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, start.
Call the pineapple.
call the pineapple.
If you feel happy. If you remember what? If you feel happy. If what? If you feel happy. If you remember me, call the pineapple. Call the pineapple if you feel happy. If you feel happy. If you feel happy. Pineapple. Call the pineapple. Call the pineapple. If you happy. Happy. If you feel happy. Call the pineapple. Call the pineapple. If you feel happy. The sentence is call the pineapple
Oh,
if you feel happy.
Oh my
You
gosh.
said happy.
Okay.
I'm too lazy to be lazy.
I'm too lazy. You're no. Lazy. I'm sweet. No. I am too lazy. I am too lazy. I am too lazy. One syllable each time. Am to you to your to food to full to you to who to I am to who to you to flew to you.
The sentence is I am too lazy to be lazy.
Is that easy, ate? No. So hard? Oh my god.
It's
Bob.
pop,
Bob.
pop.
Bob. Pop is a sandwich. Crochet under a hungry what? Bob. Pop. Bob. Pop. Bob. Pop. Bob. Pop. Bob is pop. Bob. Pop. Bob. Bob is puppy. Bob is a sandwich. Puppet. Bob. A puppet. Bob. Bob. A puppet. No. Bob ate puppet. Bob ate puppet. Bob ate So the sentence is Bob ate a sandwich under a hungry tree.
What are we?
Keep on saying pop.
Never ask a starfish.
Never say never.
No. Never ask a starfish for their
Fire. First word. First never. Fever. No. Never.
ask a starfish for directions?
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
My mom,
Pop poop,
my mom
pop poop,
tries to be cool
pop poop.
by saying,
I that you like. All the same things that I do. My mom, my mom, my mom tries to be cool, My mom tries to be cool by saying that, by saying that.
the sentence is, my mom tries to be cool by saying that she likes all the same things that I do.
Yeah, true.
Last for Baba. Let's see. Let's
It's
see.
Twiiter, but
If Ate could
No.
answer this one, then
No.
it will be a tie. So,
Get ready.
Whenever
Whenever
I am
I am
sad,
sad,
Sad. I go to my favorite place. Whenever I'm sad, I go to my favorite place. Whenever I am sad, I go to my favorite place. The fridge.
whenever I am sad, I go to my favorite place, the fridge.
Food.
I The winner is Nati. So, yeah, Baba has 1 point and Ati has 0 points. Too bad, Ati. Better luck next time, okay? So, your prize, Baba. Baba has a prize and your prize is... Come here. Come here. Yes. I'm gonna give you my prize. Kiss from Mama.
yes, I didn't win.
How about Papa?
Oh, yes, sir. I'm gonna give you a love. I think that's it for this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this one, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also please don't forget to like my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye bye.